While we are doing revolved triangle pose, if you are struggling to balance, so here is the tips for you. The first tip is don't directly go from standing asana. So instead of going a standing asana, either you can do the forward fold asana or you can go from the downward facing dog asana. So I am going to go from the downward facing dog and I will be bringing my left leg front of me, and while I am doing the left leg front of me, I should not place more than 2.5 feet my leg. So what happens here, if I am placing more than 2.5, I will feel unstable. So I will bring my right foot more closer in a line. So when I do in a line, what happens, my hips are completely internally rotated. After that, I can bring my hands here, placing my hands. When I am placing, this is the third tips I am going to do. Inhale, lift my hands up. When I am lifting my hands, what happens here, my elbows should not face out. So if my elbow is facing out, I don't have a more rotation to the upper part of my body. So what I will be doing, I will turn my elbow slowly outside, and when I am turning my elbows outside, my internal rotation of the shoulder get developed. When I am turning elbows out, my internal rotation of the shoulder get developed, and then I can bring the balance and pull my hands. And the fourth one, I slowly, instead of hanging my shoulder, lift my shoulder up and gaze my thumb. So try this out when you are imbalancing the revolved triangle pose. So this is how you do it. One variation you must do like this, you will be getting. If not, the fifth one, you can slightly bend the knee. When you slightly bend the knee, you will get a more stable, and your elbows can turn at the same time in, and then you can go again much deeper into the revolved triangle pose. So try this out and let me know if this works for you. Namaste. So second variation, from downward facing dog, I am going to do from the downward facing dog. Second tip is lift your left leg, bring front of your hands and try to measure your feet. Your feet should be aligned 2.5 feet. So that means more closer. If you are more closer, your front part of the body get extended and you are able to rotate your hips joint internally. You can rotate your both hips joint internally. After doing this, then you can place your right palm in a line of a heel here. So one thing you must know here in a third tips, you have to turn not your elbow out, you turn your elbow in. If you turn your elbows in, so you got an internal rotation into your shoulder, which helps to rotate your thoracic spine, and then slowly you can pull the palms up. Look how stable I am, how very strong ability I have to stabilize my legs. So after that, then you can spread your fingers and to gaze your completely the tip of the fingers. So don't let your elbow bend. Now the fourth one, what we can do, if you are still struggling, you are shaking or you are not able to hold, and then you can slightly micro bend the knee, place your palms again same way internally, you rotate and slowly make the lift your hands up, and with the bending knee, these variations is more stabilized into the revolved triangle pose. So try this out. If it makes you stable and balanced, and you can twist from the upper part of the body. Namaste. Thank you.